we will learn about the remaining part of the lesson which we are learning. We will study the remaining part of the lesson. What is the meaning of the word? Baric stars. Baric star. Baric stars of Beaver that we are learning. What we studied or what we learned actually, Baric stars of Beaver. What is the meaning? Last day I told you. Kalburgi and Bidar. Kalburgi and Bidar. They are the two capitals of the Bahmani Sultans. These were the two capitals of the Bahmani Sultans that we have studied. I told you earlier. In the beginning, Kalburgi was their capital. Later they changed the capital to where? They changed the capital to Bidar. This I have told you. But after the decline of Bahmani Sultan, what happened? After the decline of Bahmani Sultan, what actually happened? 5 independent dynasties. 5 independent dynasties began to develop. 5 independent dynasties began to develop after Bahmani Sultans. After the decline of Bahmani Sultans. So the headquarters of Baric Shahs of Bidar was Bidar. Since their headquarters was Bidar, they are known by the name Baric Shahs of Bidar. Baric Shahs of Bidar. That is the specialty. Baric Shahs of Bidar. Then what is Qasim Bari? Qasim Bari was the founder of this dynasty. Qasim Bari was the founder of this dynasty. Qasim Bari. He was the founder of this dynasty. Qasim Bari. Since his name was Qasim Bari, this dynasty was known as Baric Shahs of Bidar. Qasim Bari was a powerful ruler. He was a powerful ruler. Then what happened? During the time of Qasim Bari, the kingdom began to expand. During the days of Qasim Bari, the kingdom began to develop. During the time of Qasim Bari, kingdom began to develop. He attacked and defeated his enemies, who Qasim Bari. But followers were very bad. His followers were very bad. And inner conflict was also there. Inner conflict. Inside the kingdom, what was there? Inside the kingdom, more and more conflict was there. Followers were very big. What were followers? Who began to rule over the kingdom after passing by? Who began to rule over the kingdom after passing by? They were very weak, and there was a presence of inner conflict also. Inner conflict. Inner conflict was also there. That means after passing by, they began to fight. They began to fight to become the king of Baal Shashabida. They began to fight one another to become the king of, to become the rulers of Baal Shashabida. That was their main or major problem. This was the major or main problem. Because of this reason, what happened? Baal Shashabida began to decline. So what I told them, Baal Shashabida, Baal Shas. What is the meaning of this one? That we have to think. Baal Shashabida. Then Kalburgi and Bidar. Kalburgi and Bidar were the two. Kalburgi and Bidar. Kalburgi and Bidar. Kalburgi and Bidar were the Kalburgi and Bidar were the two. Kalburgi and Bidar were the two headquarters or capitals of Bahmani Sultans. What is the capital? Rajasthan. Kalburgi and Bidar were the two capitals of Bahmani Sultans. In the beginning, their capital was Kalburgi in the beginning. Later, they changed their capital to which place? Later, they changed their capital to Bidar. Bidar and Kalburgi were the two capitals of Bahmani Sultans. Bidar and Kalburgi were the two capitals of the Bahmani Sultans. This was one case. Gradually, Bidar became their capital. Then what happened? After the decline of Bahmani Sultans, Sultanate, five kingdoms developed inside Bahmani kingdom. One such kingdom was Baal Shashabida. One such kingdom was known by the name Baal Shashabida. And Baal Shas headquarters was which one? Bidar. Bidar was the headquarters of Baal Shas. Qasim Balid was the founder. Founder means Stabara. Qasim Balid was the founder of this kingdom. Qasim Balid was the founder of this kingdom. Qasim Balid. Founder means Stabara. During the time of Qasim Balid, what happened? Baruch Shas of Bida were very powerful, but the followers of Qasim Bari were very weak. Qasim Bari followers were very weak. Qasim Bari followers were very weak. They were very weak. His followers were very weak. Then what happened? Inner conflict happened. Inside the kingdom, they began to fight to become the ruler. Inside the kingdom, they began to fight to become the ruler. Inside the kingdom. All these reasons were responsible for the decline of Baruch Shas. Now we have read about Kuttav Shas. Kuttav Shas. Their headquarters was Golconda. Golconda was the capital or headquarters of Kuttav Shas. Then Kuli Kuttav Shas. Kuli Kuttav Shas was the founder of this dynasty. Kuli Kuttav Shas. What is the meaning of this word? Kuttav Shas of Golconda, like we are studying. Kuttav Shas of Golconda. Then what is the meaning of this one? Kuttav Shas of Golconda. Kuli Kuttav Shas was the founder of this dynasty. Kuli Kuttav Shas. So his name was Kuli Kuttav Shas. So that this dynasty was known by one name. So that this dynasty was known as Kuttav Shas of Golconda. Then what happened? He was the founder. Then Kuttav Shas. Then he was a benevolent or great king. He followed the policy of expansion. What is that? During the time of Kuttav Shas, Kuli Kuttav Shas, the kingdom began to expand. Or during the time of Kuli Kuttav Shas, the kingdom became very big. Kingdom began to expand. During the time of Kuli Kuttav Shas, the kingdom began to expand. Kingdom began to expand. He attacked his followers. He attacked other kings. Those kings who were there in South India, So many kings were there in South India during this particular time, South India. So many kings were there in South India during this time. Those kings were attacked by Kuli Qutub Shah. So Qutub Shah dynasty. What is the meaning of dynasty? Dynasty means Raja Vamsha. During the time of Kuli Qutub Shah, what happened? During the time or during the days of Kuli Qutub Shah dynasty became very big. Qutub Shah dynasty became very big during the time of Kuli Qutub Shah. Expansion, what is expansion? Became very big. During the time of Kuli Qutub Shah, kingdom became very big. But during 1543 period, during 1543 period, he was killed by his own son. During the year 1543 period, what actually happened? During 1543 period, he was killed by his own son. That is another case. He was killed by his own son. We may doubt how it happened. During the olden days, what was that? During the olden days, murder of a king by his son or relatives were not at all bad. It was quite common during the olden days. So what happened? During the year 1543 period, Kuli Qutub Shah was killed by his own son. So what I told Qutub Shahs of Golconda, then we are ready. Qutub Shahs of Golconda. The capital of Qutub Shahs were Golconda. And the founder means Stabaka, the person who started. The founder of this dynasty was Kuli Qutub Shah. Kuli Qutub Shah was the founder of this dynasty. Kuli Qutub Shah was the founder of this dynasty, Kuli Qutub Shah. His name was Kuli Qutub Shah. So the dynasty made by him is known as Qutub Shah dynasty because the name of the founder was Kuli Qutub Shah. Then during the time of Kuli Qutub Shah, the kingdom became very big. Kuli Qutub Shah, what did he do? Kuli Qutub Shah attacked and defeated other kings. Kuli Qutub Shah attacked and defeated other kings who were there inside the kingdom. Kuli Qutub Shah attacked and defeated other kings who were there inside the kingdom. Kuli Qutub Shah attacked and defeated other kings who were there in South India also. In South India, so many other kings were there. Those kings were attacked and defeated by Kuli Qutub Shah. So during the time of Kuli Qutub Shah, what happened? During the time of Kuli Qutub Shah, the kingdom became very big. During Kuli Qutub Shah time, During the time of Kulikutra Shah, the kingdom became very big. But in the year 1543 period, what happened? In the year 1543 period, unfortunately, Kulikutra Shah was killed by his own son. During 1543 period, what happened? Kulikutra Shah was killed by his own son. So, the life of Kulikutra Shah was very bad. Kulikutra Shah was killed by his own son. That was the end of Kulikutra Shah. That was the end of Kulikutra Shah. Ibrahim was another ruler of this dynasty. Ibrahim was an important ruler of this dynasty. Ibrahim was an important ruler of this dynasty. He followed the policy of tolerance. What is the meaning of tolerance? I got to tell you. What is tolerance? What is tolerance? I got to tell you. Tolerance means respecting other religions, giving maximum respect to other religions are known by what name? They are known as tolerance. The policy of tolerance was followed by the policy of tolerance was followed by Ibrahim. He liked the Hindu people more than anybody else. He liked the Hindu people very much. More than anybody else, he liked the Hindu people. Some officers were there. Some officers were there inside his kingdom from Hindu community. Then Golconda city, the city of Golconda was made as one of the biggest city in India by Ibrahim. Then what is that? He changed his capital to Hyderabad. He changed his capital to the land of Hyderabad. Golconda was a capital in the beginning. Golconda was the capital in the beginning. Later he changed his capital from Golconda to Hyderabad. From Golconda, he changed his capital to Hyderabad. That was another specialty. In the year 1589 period, he changed his capital from Golconda to Hyderabad. That was one specialty. Golconda to Hyderabad. So during the time of Ibrahim, Golconda was highly developed and Hyderabad was also highly developed. That was another specialty. Then Abdul Qutb Shah. These two rulers ruled over the kingdom during this time. They were no good. These rulers were not at all good. They were not at all competent. They were not at all good, or they were not at all competent. They were not at all competent. They were not good. Then what happened? Then the successors were also bad. The successors were also bad. That means the successors of Abdul Hassan were not Abdul and Hassan. They were not good. So what happened? They were not able to protect the kingdom. So other kings began to attack the kingdom. So in future, it became a part of Mughal kingdom. Gradually, it became a part of Mughal kingdom. Gradually. So I will say once more, what is that? Ibrahim became the ruler of this dynasty. Ibrahim. He followed a policy of tolerance. What is the meaning of tolerance? I tell you. Respecting other religions are known as tolerance. Respecting. Giving maximum respect to other religions are known as tolerance. He liked Hindu religion more. Inside the kingdom, he appointed so many Hindu officers. His capital was Golconda. During the time of Ibrahim, what happened? During the days of Ibrahim, actually what happened? During the days of Ibrahim, what happened? That is the thing. Golconda became one of the well-developed cities of India. During the 1589 period, during the year 1589 period, what happened? During the year 1589 period, capital was changed from Golconda to Hyderabad by Ibrahim. He changed the capital from Golconda to Hyderabad. And during the time of Ibrahim, what I told you, Golconda became one of the well-developed areas of India. After Ibrahim, Abdul and Hassan ruled over the kingdom. They were not good. They were some days, after some months, Mughal people, Mughal sultans attacked and conquered which one? Qutb Shah kingdom. Dear children, I think you are able to follow up here. You turn on your mic. We will have a discussion now.